Hey everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video you will learn how you can connect your WooCommerce store with Spayee application. So guys, Spayee is a course hosting platform for educators where you can create courses, okay? And WooCommerce is a plugin of WordPress where you can create e-commerce store. So suppose that you have created a course on Spayee and you want to sell it from WooCommerce. So as and when any student purchases your course from your e-commerce store, you have to fetch the details of your student manually and add that student, enroll that student in Spayee manually. But what if you have hundreds of students to enroll? So this manual process can be very hectic and problematic for you if you do it manually. So here, this automation that we are about to set up is going to help you a lot because it is going to allow you to create and enroll a student in Spayee automatically as and when any student purchases your course from e-commerce store. Yes, guys, this can happen, and let me show you how it is going to work. So the flow of this automation is going to work like this. As and when any student purchase your course from WooCommerce store, the same student will get enrolled in Spayee automatically. No manual work required. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part of making this automation is that you will not require any kind of coding skills or programming knowledge. So anyone can set up this automation. So now let's set up this automation together. So guys, the first step to set up this automation is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account. For that, you can use the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will provide you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, after that you can log in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here like this. And here you have to start setting up this automation by creating a workflow. So to create a workflow, just click here on this create workflow button, and here you can give any suitable name to your workflow. So let me fill the name here. So I have given the name to this workflow as on course purchase from WooCommerce, enroll student in Spayee automatically. Okay, now you can click here on this create button and you can see your workflow getting created here like this. And on this page, you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So our automation work on these two things. And the trigger is happening of any event and the action is the response to that trigger. Okay. As in our use case, the trigger would be selling of a course from WooCommerce store, and the action or the response to that trigger would be is to enroll the same student who have purchased your course in Spayee. Okay. So first of all, you have to set up this trigger. For this, you just have to open this section, and from this choose app field, you have to choose your trigger application. So our trigger application is WooCommerce. So search WooCommerce here. This is it. Select it. And now you have to use a trigger event. You have to select the trigger event from this drop down, and you can select here order, new order created or order updated. You can use both of the things, but in new order creation, it would give you a response which will show that that payment is not updated or pending. So you can use this order updated. Preferably we use order updated trigger here. So use order updated. Okay, and this will give you this webhook URL. This is called as webhook URL, and it is used to fetch the data from any external application to here and Pabbly Connect. And with the help of this, we are going to connect our e-commerce store with Pabbly Connect, and we'll fetch the test data of a test purchase from our WooCommerce store to here. And with the help of that data only, we are going to set up this automation further. Okay. So first of all, you just have to click here on this copy button, and then you have to follow these instructions written here to make the connection. Let me show you how you can do this. So this is the dashboard of WordPress I have, and here on the left hand side, when you scroll down, you will find WooCommerce option. Okay. So here we have WooFunnels. Okay. So this is WooCommerce, and from here you have to come to the settings. Okay. And in the settings page, you will find this advanced tab. Click on advanced tab. And on this page, you will find this webhooks option. click on webhooks and another page will open up. And from here you can set up your webhook by clicking here on this add webhook button. Click on add webhook. Okay. And here you have to give the name of this webhook. So you can give Enroll Student or any name that you want. And here in the status you have to make it active. And in the topic you have to select the topic as order updated. Okay, where is order? Here it is. Select order updated. In the delivery URL field you have to paste the webhook URL that you have copied from Pabbly Connect like this. Okay, and we are done here. Now just click on save webhooks. Right, so you can see the webhook is getting saved here. And when the webhook got saved, it will show in your workflow, it will show you this webhook ID here in the response received section. Okay, now I'm going to click on this recapture webhook response. Click on yes, and it will start showing this waiting for the webhook's response. This means now you have to do a test submission, or you have to make a test purchase in from your WooCommerce store, so that we can fetch the data here. Okay, so I'm going to my WooCommerce store. Okay, and from this page I am going to purchase this course, complete Python bootcamp from zero to hero in Python. Okay, so I am adding this product to cart. Okay, and from here I am going to click on proceed to checkout, and I'm going to checkout page. Okay, and here I have entered the customer details as this. You can see Michael Karas is our customer. Let me change the name. Let the name be Johnson Karas. Okay, and these are the details, and this is the email address. Okay, and I'm placing this order here. So you can see the order is getting placed here from my WooCommerce store, and this is a demo purchase I am making to collect the data of a test purchase in Pabbly Connect. So you can see the order is completed here. Okay, here you can see thank you, your order has been received as written. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect if we got the details. So here it is still waiting for the response. And here you can see the response is received of a demo order or a test purchase like this. Here it is showing us the ID. Okay, the status of purchase is processing. Okay, and here you can see we got the customer details as this: Johnson Karas, company name, address. Okay, and the email, billing address, all the things, it is written here. Okay, now what we want to enroll this student who has purchased our course in Spayee application, where we have running this course actually. Okay, for that what you can do, you can come here on this actions tab. But first of all, we want to ensure that whenever a course is purchased, a specific course is purchased from our WooCommerce store, only then the student got enrolled in Spayee. Because you can have multiple products in WooCommerce store, but we do not want to enroll any customer in our Spayee. We just want to enroll students who are purchasing any specific course from our WooCommerce store in Spayee. For that, what you can do, you can apply a filter. In this actions tab, use filter feature by Pabbly. Okay, select filter, and it will ask for to select the label. Okay, so here you can see in the previous tab where we got the data of a demo order, we got these details, and here we have the details of the course as well. Here when you scroll down a bit more, you will find a label which is this line item name, and here you can see we got the name of the course that is being purchased, complete Python bootcamp from zero to hero in Python. This was the course. Okay, so I'm going to use this line item label here in this filters tab. When you click here on this select label option, it will show you WooCommerce tab in the drop down, and when you click on it, it will show you all the response that you have received in the first tab. And from here, when you scroll down, you will find the label that I'm talking about, which is the line item. Okay, so here you can see we got the details here, and this is the line item label. Select this, okay, and make the filter type equals to, and here manually enter the name of the course. So this is the course's name. Copy this, okay, and paste it here in the value field. like this. Okay, and then click on save and send test request, and let's see what it will show. And you can see in the response it is showing the status is success and the message is condition is true. This means uh, filter will ensure that when the line item name equals to this course, then only make this workflow continue and enroll the student. If this value does not meet true, the workflow will stop and any customer won't be enrolled in our course. Okay, so now what you have to do, just click here, and now it is time to create a student first in Spayee, then we'll enroll it. So in the actions tab, you have to select the action application as a Spayee. Select Spayee from here. This is it. And in the action event, select create learner option. So it will create a learner first in Spayee application, then we will enroll the learner. Okay, so click on connect, and from here select add new connection option, and here it is asked for the Pabbly Connect API key and the subdomain name. So you'll find the API key from the account section of your Spayee account. Let me show you how you can find it. You can follow the instructions written here as well. Okay, so I'm going to my Spayee account, and here is the dashboard, and here you will find on the left hand side panel this integrations option. Click on integrations, and here is the third party and APIs option. Click on API. So this is the Pabbly Connect's API token here. Just copy this whole API token like this and paste this key here in this field. Okay, and now it is asking for the subdomain name. So guys, in the dashboard, when you go to your Spayee's dashboard, in this search bar you will get the subdomain name like this. So you have to copy this subdomain. You have to remove this HTTPS thing and dot. You can read actually here how you can find the subdomain. You will find your default domain as https://your_subdomain.spayee.com. Okay, so here you can see we got the subdomain as pabblyconnect.spayee.com. So I'm just going to copy this Pabbly Connect thing. Okay, so Pabbly Connect is our subdomain. Paste the subdomain here like this. Okay, right, now click on save, and you'll be connected with Spayee account like this. Right, now it is asking for the email address, the full name, the mobile number, and the password to create a learner in Spayee. Okay, so we got the details of a demo purchase in the first step. So we are going to use that data only to map the details here. Okay, so when you click here on this email field, it will show you the previous steps in the drop down, and from the WooCommerce step, I am going to map the email address that we got from the demo purchase. So here you will find the customer's data, and this is the billing email. Map this, and for the full name, use the same step and find the full name of the person. This is the first name, and let me see the second, the final name. This is the last name. Okay, so we got the full name. For the mobile number, use the same step and you will find the mobile number as well. This is the mobile number. And for the password, I am going to use the data of WooCommerce step only. Here you can see it has shown us this ID. So this is the unique ID given by WooCommerce as in when a new order placed in the WooCommerce store. So you can use this ID as the password as well for the student. Okay. So when you map the data, what will happen in real time, whenever a new purchase will happen, the data will be changed accordingly when you map it, and a new learner will be created automatically in Spayee. Let me show you in my Spayee, in the users, let me show you how many learners we have. So we got these learners here. Now let us check our connection, if the connection is working properly or not. So I am clicking on save and send test request, and a new learner according to the data we have mapped will be created in Spayee application. And in the response received section, you can see it is showing the token is not valid. That means at the time of making the connection with Spayee, I think we have pasted the wrong API token. Let's make the connection again. I'm selecting add new connection, and let's see the instructions. You have to click on the third party section under integrations, where you'll find the Pabbly Connect under the Pabbly Connect section. Okay, so let us see where we have gone wrong. So I'm going to integrations again, and I'm going to click on third party, And on the third party page, you will find the token here in the Pabbly Connect section. This is the Pabbly Connect API key. So this was the key that you have to copy. So click on copy, and I'm entering the key again here. And in the subdomain name, the subdomain is the same, Pabbly Connect. Okay. I'm copying the subdomain here. Okay. And I'm clicking on save. Okay. So we are connected again. Now let's see if the connection is working properly or not. And now you can see in the response received section, we got this type of response. Now let's check in the learner section if we got a new learner created. So I'm going to users and the learners section, and you can see a new learner is here named as Johnson Karas. This is the email, this is the student. Okay. And this is the same name that we have entered here, Johnson Karas. Okay. Right. So a new student get created in Spayee. Now you have to enroll that student in a specific course that you are running. Okay, for that what you have to do, just click here on this plus icon, and we are going to connect Spayee again, and we'll use another action step. Okay, action event. Okay, so I'm typing Spayee again. This is Spayee, and in the actions event now I'm going to select this enroll learner to course. Okay, select this one, enroll learner to course, click on connect, and now we can use this existing connection option because we have connected with Spayee in the first step. So now you don't have to enter the API key token and the subdomain name again. You just select this existing connection, click on save, and you will be connected again like this. Okay, and here it is asking the email address of the learner or the student and the course page's name. So you will find the email address of the person from this WooCommerce tab where we have collected the data. This is the email address. Okay, map it. And for the course page name, you have to open the courses page. Okay, you can see course information page. Then you have to click on the pages tab available in the top right corner where you get the course page name under the field named as course page field. Let me show you. So I am going back to my dashboard of Spayee. So in the content section, I have this courses tab. Click on courses, and where is our course? So this is our course, complete Python bootcamp from zero to hero in Python. This was the course that we are selling from WooCommerce, and I want to enroll the student in this course. So I'm going to open this. And here you can see I have this pages tab. Click on pages, and under the course page URL, that's what it is written here. Under the course page URL field, you will find the course page name. This is the course page's name. Okay, just copy this course page name, and you have to paste this course page name here. Okay, like this. Right now I'm going to click on save and send test request, and this student is going to be enrolled in this course. Let's see what happens. So you can see now the response is this. It is showing the status as success. Now let's check in the students, enrolled students. So I'm going back to the courses, and where is our course? This is complete Python bootcamp, and let's see the enrolled students. So I'm clicking on learners, and you can see this student Johnson Karas is enrolled in this course. So these are the learners under this course, and we got the data of the student here. So connection with Spayee is working properly, and we are done setting up this automation. And guys, when you create this learner and you enter the password and the credentials, Spayee will automatically send an email to this person telling him that this is your login credentials for Spayee course. So you need not to send it. Okay, you just have to enroll it, right? So let me show you what we have done here in a quick recap. So first of all, I connected WooCommerce store in the trigger, and with the help of a webhook URL, we captured the date of a test purchase or a demo purchase here like this. And after that, I applied a filter to make sure that whenever this course is being purchased, then only I am going to enroll the student. Okay. And to create a learner, I connected Spayee in the actions tab, and I mapped the data of a demo purchase here like this. Okay. And after that, I connected Spayee again to enroll that created student in a specific course. And guys, you have to make these connections, you have to set up this automation and map the data only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually in this workflow. You just have to wait till anyone purchases your course from your WooCommerce store, and you will see that the same student is going to be enrolled in the specific course automatically. No manual work needed. Okay. And guys, the best part of setting up this automation, you have seen that we have not used any coding skill. And I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.